today's lesson. This is your favorite Nzema teacher. If today is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. And if you're already a subscriber, don't forget to like, comment, and share. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the months of the year. The months of the year. In Nzema, we will say Siane mo Ɛvolɛ ne enuna, or Siane dodo mo Ɛvolɛ ne enuna. So, as you all know, we have 12 months in a year. 12 months make a year. In Nzema, we will say Yele Siane ngokumbulu ninyo wo Ɛvolɛ kun enu. Without wasting my time, you begin with the first month and continue. So we have January. January in Nzema we say Siane Jene. January Siane Jene. Siane Jene. February Siane Mungane. Siane Mungane. March Siane Ezane. Siane Ezane. April Siane Enlane. Siane Enlane. May Siane Enluni. Siane Enluni. That is May. Siane Enluni. June, which is the 6th month, is Siane Eziane. Siane Eziane. July, which is the 7th month, is Siane Ezuni. Siane Ezuni. That is July. August, Siane Ewokele. Siane Ewokele. August, Siane Ewokele. September, September, Siane Ehona. That is the 9th month. Siane Ehona. You listen to the pronunciation well. Siane Ehona. From September, we move on to October. October, which is the 10th month, we say Siane Bulu. Siane Bulu. October, Siane Bulu. November, Siane Bulu Nekun, which is the 11th month. Siane Bulu Nekun. So if you want to say it in a fast way, you say Siane Bulu Nekun. But if you want to break it, you get Siane Bulu Nekun. Then you move on to the last month, which is December. December. And we all know in December, that's where we celebrate the Christmas or whatever. So December in Nzema we say Bologna Siane. Bologna Siane. Bologna Siane. If you don't want to use the Bologna Siane, we have another name for December, which is Ɛvolɛ Ɛbolo. Nyama Ɛbolo Siane. Ɛvolɛ Ɛbolo. Nyama Ɛbolo Siane. So this is for the month of December.
So does it mean that the months of the year are numbered according to the numericals of the normal numericals in Nzema?
Yes, when it comes to Nzema, that's what it follows.
So as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in Nzema.
In Nzema, but
it's the same thing.
There is some slight difference in some of the months. That is the first month. In Nzema 1 we say Ekun or Kun. But this one, January is the first month though, but it is Siane Jene. Siane Jene. Then February Siane Mungane. So following the countings, that is 1, 2, 3. That one starts from the 3rd month, which is March. Siane Ezane. 3 Ezane. 3 in Nzema is Nsa. So you can see there is some, should I say, relation or whatever. Thank you for your attention, viewers, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Once again, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.